This episode of Supercar Bros is brought to you by Big Mike 2024. Big Mike, he's the man for the job. And frankly, I want those shoulders. Give me Big Mike! Alright, so you've got a 2013 and up, I assume, Lincoln MKS. I don't know about the Taurus show. I know it's not the MKT that's got it like this. But here's the headlight bulb. It's a DS3. By the Osram, that is what these originally came with. Don't waste your time with Philips or Sylvania. That was $56-ish, Amazon Prime. Okay. Comes in a box like that. The Philips is like $76. The Sylvania is $123. You don't need to bother yourself with those things. So, 2013 Lincoln MKS. All right. Unlike the MKT, this is a simple twist and pull function. Life is relatively easy. You just put it in and twist. You're going to give it some force. Connector, I was able to just pull off with my hand. It's this little dingle-dang right here. Whole thing just pulls off. I didn't have to use a tool. Only tools I had to use was to get to my air raid, or liver noise, or what liver noise, whatever the heck. It's an air raid. They're all air raid intakes. I don't remember how my car used to look before I had a battery here. Oh, that would have been so annoying. Oh yeah, I can see a bumper pull job on this. Yeah, so I relocated my battery to the trunk. Everybody wants to know, right? Fast forward through this, blah, blah, blah. Well, I work out of my car. Battery box. The junction box here, I believe, is from a Jaguar XJ. That's any distribution blocks will do, but this was in the junkyard, so that's what we used. Anyway, simple twist. $50 bulb instead of $112. Let's go. I understand. I remember now why this might be difficult. So it's not a 20-minute job. It's probably a 2-hour job. I don't want to play with that one. That one scares me. Fortunately, it's already been replaced, and not by me. But this dingle-dang, you can see the bulb just dead. You get this nonsense on the back. I'm just going to shove it back on and hope for the best. Oh, methanol tank. That's what it looks like underneath. This is quality craftsmanship. That's how my blow-off valve stays on. Don't buy this car. Do not buy this. Buy a first-gen Cayenne Turbo. Twin-turbo V8 all-wheel drive, bulletproof air suspension. You spend about $2,300, okay, on coolant lines, because they're all plastic and trash. Replace them with upgraded, I think, aluminum, or whatever the heck doesn't corrode. Buy a Cayenne Turbo. For 10 grand, you will be screaming happy. And you're going to buy it for like 5 or 6. But then after that, ooh-wee, the savings and power and value. Also, V8 all-wheel drive air suspension. This is trash. Don't buy this platform. But don't buy Taurus shows. Don't buy MKT EcoBoost. Don't buy Ford Flex Max EcoBoost. Don't buy the MKS EcoBoost. Don't buy this platform. It's terrible. PTUs are trash. All-wheel drive is dumb, big time, retarded. All right, there's your hate speech for the day. I don't like this car. It's fast. I don't care. I'd rather have a Cayenne Turbo. Love you, bye.